What is going on in the background? Also concerned about this in the background, but you know, let's move on. What is that? What is going on in the background? I didn't even notice that at first. I didn't notice it. What? Yo, so before this video starts, I just want to quickly say, make sure you do check out my Patreon. It's where you can find my exclusive videos, such as which you'll never see on YouTube, such as my reactions to Run BTS, American Hustle Life, and, you know, Bon Voyage, Burn the Stage, and loads of, you know, other K-pop groups, you know, live stages, or their shows, for example, that I can't upload on YouTube because of copyright problems. You get on there, you request it, and you are my #1 priority, okay? I see all of your requests, all of your messages and stuff. So yeah, do have a check of the Patreon. It's a lot of fun, and we have a lot of fun over there. We really do, and there's exclusive posts that you will not see if you do not join us. Link in the description, and also, you know, just go to patreon.com/LazyJamie and join us. Why wait? Just join us now, okay? It's great. We have a lot of fun, and there's lots of stuff you can have a look at on there. And also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to everyone on there everyone on Patreon who helps me out. You know, it really does help a lot. And also, I'm sure you enjoy the exclusive videos that nobody else gets to see. Join us now. But yeah, shout out to Juliana, Jocelyn, Avery, KK, Aiden, Killy, Sam, Fanny, Veronica, Victoria, Amanda, Beth, Brooke, Alexis, Eric, Nadia, Jacob, Sarah, Sunny, Alicia, M, Cannibal Cupcake, Kay, Rebecca, Lee, Aki, Mac, Lexi, Joel, Kate, Corey, and Elizabeth. Thank you all so much, and yes, enjoy the video. Yo guys, LazyJamie here, and today we're going to be checking out a video called Things TXT Say That Seem Like Fake Subs, But Aren't. I've done this before on BTS. I've seen this pop up less than a week ago. This came out, you know, I'm fresh on it. I don't know why I'm acting so weird, I just am. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this. If you do, leave a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you haven't already. You know, ring the bell, ding 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 ding, turn notifications on. You can see when I post. So, things TXT say that aren't fake subs. Oh no, things TXT say that sound like fake subs, but aren't. Okay, let's go. That's loud, jeez Louise. Anyway, let's go. For real, Subin's eels are... What is it? They're softer than what? Softer than dough soup. Why he's just rubbing his ears, jeez. Flesh. That's like a fanfic come to life. Oh, I'm using these way too much. He bites his ears. Fair, you know what? Fair enough. You do what you want. Okay, what's next? I guess so, you know. Thief. Let's not endorse stealing. Jeez Louise, that was quick. Damn. Oh, he's got the sleeves up. It's game on time. I have a lot of cards. I was about to say something bad in English. I like how the interludes have like a little thing looking like what's happened. As I'm seeing the sea, I really want to throw them into the sea. Throw what into the sea? Want to throw who? I want to throw Guy into the sea. He wants to throw his bandmates into the sea. Fair enough. Fair enough. TXT, the love for each other. He's gone down the crooked path. What? Wait, who's cat? I hope Kobak, Taehyun's cat, is going well. I don't know, you asked about her back there. Doesn't have a mobile phone yet. He's hoping when the cat grows up, he gets a phone. Wow, brilliant.
야, 너 왜 형 따라오냐? 따라가는 거 아니거든요. 오잖아. 그렇게 형이 좋냐? 그래서 형이랑 방금 같이 쓰냐? 이 꿀보라.
You honeybee? What the flip? I'm sorry, I'm just repeating everything they say. I'm just doing such a rubbish reaction. But these clips are so short, with such little context. Like, I don't want to say too much because otherwise I pause loads, you know. I like the first crown thank you for joining the fandom. Bitch, I said chicken. Ah, okay. He misheard what he said. Is this hell? He looks pretty chill. Is this hell? I sneaked in and slept next to them for a few times. I can tease my young, so no. Okay, that is a bit... Yeah, we'll just carry on from that one. No, I'm joking.
표현이 저기 잘리잖아. 여러분 안녕하세요. 수빈이 개인 방송. 와 이거 빨리 표정.
His face. His face. That pause.
방금 진짜 살벌한 표정이었거든요. 목숨의 위협을 느껴서.
I came back since I felt a threat to my life.
아무튼.
Yeah, that yeah.
Any hair color?
What's his name? What's that guy's name? Oh, I forgot their names. That guy, I like his hairstyle though, it's pretty cool. Are there any hair colours you want to try out? Speaking of that, can I teach it?
You want to try out in the future?
Rainbow!
Rainbow.
Oh, I knew he was gonna say that because I don't know why. I just thought they might say that.
Rainbow. Wow. Clear color. Like this bottle?
Clear!
Yeah.
Clear colour. Wow, okay.
얌전한 스니커를 보여줄게요. 미술부 학생 스니커예요. 미안해. 방금 막.
Why do people do that anyway when they're...
미안해. 방금 막 사춘기가
His puberty just starts?
I do not want to comment.
Why?
Is that true? They are pretty young though, aren't they? I forget how young they are. But he's covering his mouth like it actually happened.
저희 사연 들어가서 멧돼지 한 마리 내서
Yeah, just go catch one real quick. Pretty sure that's illegal anyway, but whatever. Fair enough. There must be some proper ships going on in this band, in this group, you know. I'm sorry, I didn't even see what they said. Some of the stuff they say is like, that is fan service, you know. It's like fanfics, but in real life. Question, express your body when you heard you passed the audition. I know that I'm going to pass the audition though. What? Wow, okay, that is confidence. Confident king, literally. It'll be okay. What? It's going so quickly, I couldn't see what you're saying. It will be okay as long as you can calculate. It's got a hat on and hood up, it looks funny. Right, you don't have to learn complicated maths formulas. Right, you can have a calculator. Why should we learn math? I mean, it's a fair point. Oh, no.
다음 역은
ASMR.
네, 잘생긴 택시 아저씨.
You can't cover the handsome taxi driver's face.
다음 역은
Yeah, great taxi that.
삼삼역입니다.
My long and sex. What is going on in the background? Also concerned about this in the background, but you know, let's move on. What is that? What is going on in the background? I didn't even notice that at first. I didn't notice it. What? Anyway, these guys are so chaotic. I love it. You won't be able to escape my charms if you see Soobin. Oh no, Soobin back to back. Charms. Ow. He just dies on the spot. Can you see? Oh. He moved it. Right. What's a TMI? I have a birthmark, Mongolian, on my pubic line, and I had a big mole on the back of my head. Okay. Pubic line? Is that an actual thing? What does that mean? Can I hit your head with a pan instead of a hammer? Great question. Tangled. Ramen and Febreze. Wow. Febreze. How does he say it? Hang on. Why ramen and Febreze? You make a fair point. I love this. He just wants to be in the young man.
왜요? 괜찮아요. 아이스크림에다가 뭐 어때요?
Oh, that's alright. Ice cream cancels out the spice. Ice cream cancels out the spice, sure.
어차피 불닭 여기 있는데 먹으면 또 섞이는 거.
Exactly. You're nice.
좀 성숙해진 느낌으로 들어간 것 같고 물론 잘생겨졌고요. 네. 다 웃으셨고요.
Oop, no. Is that Lady Gaga? They were lined up to cast you. Yeah.
사이비 아니에요? 아니에요. 다 같이 단체로 우르르 있어갖고 그리고 야 저거 제 만만해 보인다.
I'm confused as to what's going on with this one. Pigeon, where are the baby pigeons?
비둘기 아기가 비둘기지 뭐. 비둘기 새끼는 그럼 어디 있어?
Where do baby pigeons come from? You'll learn when you're older, mate.
그들은 모두 이것이 없다. 이것은 그럼 모두 이것이 없다. 이것은
양심.
They're savage! They're savage. There we go. How does it make him think about global warming? What game was it? What is that? It makes me think about global warming. What the flip? I mean, it's a real issue, don't get me wrong, but why is that? It looks so sad. Right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry it was a bit of a mess, as always. Some of the, well, don't get me wrong, I enjoyed it a lot. But some of the clips, without context, I just don't know what's going on. So if anyone could explain, I'd appreciate that. Thank you very much. And yeah, thank you for being here on this lovely journey. I'm sure you had a great time, am I right? And yeah. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And also, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment. If you're still watching this, leave a comment saying plug. And I know that you're still here. I just saw a plug. And I know that you're still here because most people would have left the video by now. So if you're still watching, I appreciate you being here. If I see you comment that in the comments, I'll give you a heart. That's how we roll. And yeah. Again, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my Patreon if you want to see exclusive stuff. Like if you want me to do reactions to TXT music videos, you can just join my Patreon, ask me, you know, I read all your messages on there. And I'll do it if you want, go for it. And yeah, ring the bell if you haven't already. Turn notifications on, and yeah, cheers.